Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. And then there was one. So this should be, I believe this is going to be my last box opening for the month. This should be my watchgang Platinum. I will say, once again, I was able, I skipped a month of Platinum. Platinum's not one I do every time because I just think the $300, $299 subscription is a tough one to pay when it's not exactly what you want. Now, unfortunately, watchgang does a thing where your subscription auto-renews. So there's that poster again. So your subscription auto-renews, and if you miss it, well, you're too late. So I skipped last month because I remembered to put that I wanted to skip the month, and then I forgot. So here we are with another watchgang Platinum. So we have Dreyfus and Company, Handmade, Switzerland. Standard book. Alright. Which this seems like what a lot of people have received. And I can tell you, just from the box, it is nicer than the last Platinum watch I received, which was that Tellus. I wasn't a huge fan of the way that one was packaged. This is a very nice box actually. So let's open it up and see what we've got inside. Well, nice box, but they didn't even have the watch sitting on the pillow correctly there. So it looks like we've got a rose gold piece on a brown leather. Looks like a really nice piece. I don't know too much about it. 26 jewels, Swiss made. So it'll be interesting to find out more about the movement there. I'll have to do some research on this one. I like the open heart. Overall, looks like a really classy piece. It's not normally, it's weird because I find myself wearing more and more gold and rose gold type pieces, which is something I never really thought I would do. So, I mean, this one definitely is not my style, but it looks like a really nice watch. So I'm going to do the usual. I'll do my research on it and let you guys know what I find out in the follow-up. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.